Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we have all assembled here to celebrate as a tribute to the monsoon season, Utsav's 6th Varshavaran program. Today we celebrate the joy of the coming of the monsoon season, a relieving season after the torrid summer. We thank you all for joining us in this celebration. Tonight we are sure that it is going to be an enchanting evening, with a variety of monsoon ragas adding a delightful scent of the rains to the atmosphere. Definitely will join it. As we know, it has been just a week since we came across Rath Yatra. Therefore, before moving into the theme of monsoon, as a prologue for today's celebration, a few devotional songs shall be performed by Srimati Madanki Srinivasan. As you all know, although she is a very busy doctor, she is a well-accomplished singer.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present a few songs. It is always auspicious to start a program with a few devotional songs. It may not be very relevant to the theme of today's program because these are not Varsha-based ragas, but nevertheless, I'm sure you will enjoy them. It's going to be a bit of a cosmopolitan mix of songs. Prothome ami gaiji is a Telugu song, semi-classical by Annamacharya and based on the rag Tapi. Sweet